You know, sometimes the ISO, the audit need everything to be proved, right? Never mind, I print everybody answer lah one by one here. Then it can become a good way to collect the data much more easier. So this is the question, this is the summary for the descriptive statistic, and this is the individual response. But this is not what we are going to learn, because we are going to learn much more deeper. Therefore, we are going to extract the data. How to extract the data? You go to this button, the 3 dot there. You click this 3 dot, and then you click the select response destination. Okay, I made a repetition. You got your question right. On the right side of the tab, got responses. If you already answer your own questionnaire, you will get 1 or 2, depend on how many response that you key in. And after that, you go to these 3 dots. At these 3 dots, you choose the select response destination button, and then you hit the create button. After you click the create button, what's happened? You go to your drive. Automatically, a green color table here are going to be produced for you automatically. Correct or not? And this one is live. What I mean by live, if somebody entered, it will update. It will update. It will update until the end of the settings are being off. You can also off this one. This one, accepting response, you can disable. That means nobody else can answer it. And you can also explore lah. So much more you can use this one. Okay, after the green color file is being produced, this is what we call as a Google Sheet. Not S-H-I-T, okay? S-H-E-E-T. Google Sheets. The Google Sheets is actually a normal Excel file. You see, the Excel file is going produced for you, and it's ready to be downloaded and analyzed after this. Okay, so how to download? You go to the file, and then you go to the download, and then you download as a Microsoft Excel. Okay, I made a repetition. First of all, you go to the response. After that, you go to this button. And then you go to the select a response destination. After you click select response destination, you hit the create button. When you hit the create button, a green color file will be appear like this. Stress and risk factor, similar name like your questionnaire name, including the bracket responses. After that, open it. And then you will open like this. And go to the file and download. File, download. Microsoft Excel. Download lah. After you download, these data are ready for you to be manipulated. So to make your life easier and my life easier, I'm going to share this one to you. How I want to share all my material and document with you. Do you know that? It seems like you all are so stressful because you also got 1 response, but mine got 23. I want those 23 response. How to do that? It's very simple. I share you the folder. So now I'm going to share with you my folder so that all of you can retrieve similar item like what I created for you. So go to that particular folder, go to the share, and then go to the advanced, and then go to the change, and then go to the anyone with the link. I'm going to make a repetition. For example, I want to share my own folder to you so that this document you also can observe. How to do that? I share the whole folder lah. So you got everything. You got the letter, you got the questionnaire, you got also the responses. How to do that? Choose the folder, right click. You know right click or not? Right click on your mouse and then go to the share. After that, go to the advanced. Okay. After that, go to the change. After that, anyone with the link. After that, save. And then this link is already available for you to have it. So I'm going to share this link. So this link also enable you to retrieve all of the data that I have lah. So how to do that? Simple ya. bit.do. Okay, what the name of the folder that you want? Stress. Okay. Stress SPSS. If some of you are being using this name, then the name are not available. Okay, bit.do/stress SPSS. Stress SPSS. So many S, very dangerous. Okay, after that you can observe there is a folder. So this folder is ready for you to download the data.